Hello, little learners. Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory.
Yay!
Yay! ABC time!
Let's learn together.
A, B, C, let's start.
Hi kids! Welcome to our channel. Let's have fun learning ABC of flowers today. A is for aster. B is for begonia. C is for chrysanthemum.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Clap your hands with us.
D is for daffodil. E is for edelweiss. F is for freesia. G is for geranium. H is for hibiscus. I is for iris. J is for jasmine.
Do you like learning ABC with us?
Yay!
Subscribe please. Press the bell for more fun learning.
K is for kangaroo paw. L is for lotus. M is for marigold. N is for nasturtium. O is for orchid. P is for poppy. Q is for Queen Anne's lace. R is for rose. S is for sunflower. T is for tulip. U is for ulex. V is for violet. W is for water lily. X is for xeranthemum. Y is for yarrow. Z is for zinnia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ABC fun.
Great job today.
I love ABCs.
Don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
bye-bye.
See you soon.